locked. Start traverse.
Hold the line, 2 meters left.
There's match design grid.
Confirmed depth, 20 meters.
Sample A03. Clay seam at 3 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. End value rising, keep going. Bedrock is sound here.
Label verified.
Stay outside the mark zone. Clear left.
Blade down, follow the stakes. Grade the stake.
We are within 10 millimeters. Grade within tolerance.
Watch the edge. Keep spacing. Pass complete.
Next truck, slow to the bench.
Crown looks good. Compact next.
Berm height meets spec.
Center line locked, mark offsets.
Offset 5 meters. Closed.
No entry past the tape.
Depth verified. Continue cut. Follow the joint. Clean face.
Brace tight, hold position.
Those cars.
Stop! Check clearance now!
Torque to spec, then mark paint.
Pump online. Watch suction.
Keep the intake clean. Keep the intake clean. Some clear.
Turbidity within limits.
Trim clean, no loose material.
Foundation looks stable. No pumping.
Two-way radios on. Stay visible.
Thing deck.
No over break. Finish neat.
Record at each increment.
Brace inspection.
Tag it green, then move on.
Discharge stays clean. Keep socks tight.
Grid hubs in, protect them. No one under the auger, ever. Half a meter back, now stop.
Log torque every meter. 10 meters.
Depth confirmed, continue to refusal.
Plumb check. Hold vertical within 1%. Take cylinders at first discharge. easy, keep the cage centered. Lower and slow. Maintain head, don't break tremmy.
Slow pull, keep it continuous.
Test stage 1.
Zero the gauges, start loading. Hold. Stabilize before next step.
Test passed. Start production now.
Confirm point, then drill.
Keep the cycle tight. No cold joints.
Dowel spacing matches. Proceed.
Keep ramp stable, no loose planks. Finish smooth, no puddles.
Lap length good, tie it tight.
Like this 1%.
Embeds match drawing. Lock braces.
Green tag, ready to pour. Start at far corner, work back.
Vibrate corners, don't overwork. Hold grade, final pass now.
Keep it wet, no dry spots. Cure maintained. Continue schedule.
Patch only after inspection sign-off.
Keep couplers straight, no twist.
Bill to pins, no voids.
No one past knee depth, keep safe. Add bags left, stop that seep.
Flows in channel. Start riverbed work.
Mark seams, dental fill later.
Clean and bond, no dust and cracks.
Dental done. Confirmed.
Okay, turn some on the slab check.
Target moisture, don't overwater.
8-inch loose, then compact.
Low spot, add one more pass.
Overlap fabric, no gaps.
Reject undersized, keep class A. Rip wrap, accepted. Protect that cable, no crushing.
Double check embeds, no rework later.
Compact to the edge, no cold seams.
Keep joints clean for bonding.
Lights on. Keep the path clear.
Vibrate crown. Watch blowouts.
Keep airflow, everyone hydrate.
Section complete.
No vibration near fresh lining.
Density good, move to next strip.
Keep the line clean. No cross mix. Control roll. Set it gently.
Readings stable. Protect the line.
Keep lift cool. Watch deltas.
Edge tie off. No exceptions.
Center confirmed. Start dowels.
Check sleeves. Alignment is critical.
Don't lift steel. Hold bars down. Scaffold green tag, then climb.
Hold it. Align the flange holes.
Torque sequence, star pattern only. Invert, okay.
Set crown drain to downstream. Place tight, no rocking stones.
Tie off, work the slope slow.
Maintain rate, keep walls uniform. Hold alignment, guardrails next.
On all steel. No misties.
Hot work only inside the barrier.
Seam tight, no fish mouths.
Seal good.
Glass steady. Set bottom first.
Set stops, full open, full close.
Cover bare spots. No runoff channels.
Ag hazards, close them today.
Cycle test clean, sign it off.
Final walk complete, handover ready.
Subscribe, like, and share.